Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your order history on HelloFresh. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to see some previous meals that they've ordered. And so with that, be sure to stick around guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, the way to actually do this is that on the upper right hand side, you want to click on account settings. And then from here on the left hand side, you're going to see this button that says order history. So from this blurred out order history, you can see my previous dates in which I've ordered HelloFresh from. And so with that, you'll see that all the statuses have been paid. So the reason why I actually access this tab a lot is because I want to see if my HelloFresh credits actually apply to some of the deliveries, just because I tend to get a lot of HelloFresh credits from actually referring people to HelloFresh. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and retrieve your order history from HelloFresh. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. In addition, let me know what your favorite meal is on HelloFresh down below as well, just because I'm currently wondering what are other really good meals to get from HelloFresh. And if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, you'll actually get a free box of meals. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.